Hey everybody, welcome back to another episode of Joey's Garage. Now I say Joey's Garage, but we're not in my garage. We're doing another episode on how to doing a YouTube channel, doing YouTube videos. I always get this question asked a lot. You may have seen on my channel that I do a couple episodes here and there about editing, uploading, that kind of stuff with the software that I use to get it up on my channel. And I got this question asked a lot, but I never really did it because it seemed like such a simple thing to me, but that's because I'm a computer guy. And I didn't want to do it, but I figured why not? Let's help somebody out. Because I keep getting this question asked, and then I can just refer that person to the question. So the question is, how do you get the video from your camera, which is one I use here, just, regular, digital camera, to your computer? It seems like a really simple thing to me. You just, read the SD card, get the files, put them on your computer, put it in the computer editing software, edit it up, throw it up on YouTube, or final render it, throw it up on YouTube, you're good to go. Boom. But some people may have questions about that, so let me just first say that you need to get them off of your camcorder. That's the biggest thing. Well, that's the only thing. If you don't get them off of there, you can't edit it. But so with mine, I have an SD card. I have a 64-bit SD card, and it just has a slot right on the end. I don't know if you can see that. There you go. Hopefully you can see it. It just has a slot. You just need to know where to find it. So you can stick your SD card from the camcorder into your computer or your desktop. Now, if you don't have an SD card reader on your desktop, you can always use the cords that they provide. It would just hook up, in my case, to the back of the camcorder, and then you use the other plug to hook USB into the computer. But like I said, I have an SD card reader on my desktop, so all I have to do is open up my camcorder, take out my SD card, it's right here, and then all I have to do is plug it right in here, and I'll change angles right now and show you a little bit better, and just plug it right in. And from there, it's going to read the SD card. I'll be able to see my files, I'll copy them onto my desktop, and then put them into the video editing software. So that's what we're going to do today. So I inserted the card. I'm just waiting for my computer to recognize it, and we're going to skip over to the computer screen view, and I'll show you how to put them into the computer and get them into the video editing software. So let's go ahead and start doing that. So now on the computer screen view, my SD card was recognized by my computer, and as I said, I hooked it into the SD card slot. But if you don't have one, plug it in with the USB, and it'll look pretty much the same thing as this, and it'll look like another drive. And that's pretty much what it is. It's just that micro, well, I got a regular SD drive, but it just recognizes as another drive pretty much. So you just double click on it, and my camera is a Canon, so it formatted the SD card as a Canon, but it may be something else. You just need to look and find for it. It's going to be the latest drive that pops up on your computer, my computer, this computer, whatever it's calling it. Same thing with the Mac. I'm not sure about Macs, but same thing. It's going to be something different. It'll pop up and tell you something new has been found. So I double click on it. Now with my camera, the new videos are going to be going into the DCIM folder. I don't know what that stands for. I mean, I'm sure there's going to be some explanation for it. I just don't know what it is. I just know they always go into there. So again, I'm going to double click over on that folder and go down to the bottom right here with the newest folder that was created. So I'll double click on this one, and there we go. Those are all my videos from my episode that I was filming yesterday in my garage about transmission fluid changing it, checking out the seafoam. So I have all these files, and I need to copy them from my SD card that was saved from my camera onto there. I need to save them onto my computer so I'll be able to work with them, edit them, and get them up onto YouTube. So all I need to do from here is just click on the very top one. I will scroll down to the bottom right here and just use Shift, and it's going to select all of them, or you can go by and select all of them one at a time using the control button, or you can just do Control A. Whatever you want to do, you just need to select all of them. And now from there, I'm going to go over to the second window that I popped up, and it makes it a lot easier going back and forth between the SD card, which is going to be the first window right over here, and this is going to be my hard drive on the computer. So I'm going to double click on the folder I just created. I usually save them on my hard drive, and then I have a folder called Garage for Joey's Garage. And I just clicked on this one. I named it Saving because I'm doing a video on saving. So double click on Saving. It's empty. I know that's where I'm going to start out. Go back over to the video or the SD card window, and all I'm going to do is drag them over to copy to the saving folder. Now you can copy them over, it's going to go through right now, or you can save or you move them. I like to copy them because I still have the originals on the SD card. And you saw when I opened up my SD card, I had a whole bunch of them on there because I save them on there until it gets full, and then I'll delete them off. And I just do that just in case something happens with my computer, something happens, I'm editing, I do the wrong thing, I save them, I edit the original instead of editing the actual, the composition, or, somehow I don't want anything to happen to that until I'm 100% sure that that episode is good to go, it's going to go up on YouTube, it's A-okay, and then I'll delete it from the SD card, and then I'll probably even delete it from my hard drive. Thank you everybody for watching. I appreciate everything. The comments, I read them. Twitter, I'm on there too. It's in Joey's Garage, I think it is. Comments, like, subscribe, all that kind of stuff if you want to. If not, I don't care. As I said, I'm doing this as a hobby. This is something fun for me. I like helping other people, and I like having fun and just do crazy things. So please keep watching. As I said, season 2, I'm going to do a whole bunch of crazy stuff. I got some ideas. As I said, I want to do stuff that I enjoy doing. If you don't like it, don't watch it. But I'm going to do it because I'm going to have fun doing it. And just, as I said, have fun. So anyways, from there, I'm not going to ramble on anymore. Thank you for watching. Keep watching. And, man, what was it? It's been a while. Shoot. I forgot to exit. It's been that long. It's been, oh, man. There it is. Ride safe. And keep 2 wheels on the road.